And welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys have never been here before. So I just ate dinner, I came into my bathroom, and I am about to brush my teeth, but I get a lot of questions about what kind of products I use and stuff, so I want to talk about it a little bit more. I actually wanted to share with you guys this new toothbrush that I've been using from Fairywill. It's actually the White Pro P11 Sonic Whitening Electric Toothbrush. I love like the case, and I love the coloring of it because it has little speckles on here and it's just really cute. But I love this for like traveling or going to my friend's house and stuff, just because it's super easy to just like put in my book bag and stuff without it getting all dirty. The box that it comes in is actually super cute. It showcases the toothbrush right here on the front and shows that everything that the toothbrush can do. Again, super cute. Once you open up the travel case, you can see right here on the left side that we have a toothbrush head, and on the other side we have the toothbrushing device. So here's what the toothbrush head looks like. There's actually 8 of these total that come with your box, and it comes with 1 traveling case. I don't know about you guys, but 8 toothbrush heads is a lot to me, especially because I get a new toothbrush about every 3 months. So with these, this will last me up to 2 years. So to talk a little bit more about the toothbrush, it actually has 3 different modes. And my favorite thing about it is actually waterproof. So for those of you who like to brush your teeth in the shower like me, this toothbrush is perfect for you. And another thing I love about this toothbrush is right when you turn it on, it brushes for 2 minutes. So this is very helpful to keep track of how long I'm brushing my teeth. Also, in the box, it comes with a charger, but the charge on this lasts for up to 30 days and it only takes 2 hours to fully charge. If you guys are struggling to find things to put on your Christmas list or to find gifts to give your friends or family, I'm telling you, this is the perfect gift. This toothbrush will last them forever, and the packaging is very cute and expensive looking. This toothbrush is originally sold for $49.99, but using my code, you guys get everything included in this box, which is the toothbrush, the extra toothbrush heads, and the charger. Get this special discount rate. I just got done brushing my teeth and I wanted to do a little contest. I was watching the recording time on the camera and it exactly stopped after 2 minutes.